Welcome to our channel of reviews of essential appliances for your kitchen. Today we're going to talk about this incredible cheese grater. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the latest news. Leave your like to help us grow and watch to the end to check out all the details of this in-depth review. To make things easier, we've included a secure link to the website that sells this cheese grater in the description. The Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool that simplifies food preparation. Designed for ease of use, this cheese grater allows you to enjoy freshly shredded cheese with just a few turns of the handle. The unique drum cutting design enables it to cut ingredients 12 times faster than other cheese shredders, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. This grater is perfect for those who love fresh cheese but dislike the effort of grating by hand. Made from food-grade, non-toxic, BPA-free materials, the Geedel cheese grater ensures safe and healthy food preparation. Its 3 interchangeable blades are crafted from 430 stainless steel, making them durable and resistant to dulling or rusting. This means you can grate your ingredients quickly and efficiently without worrying about the blades losing their sharpness over time. The grater features a powerful suction base that keeps it firmly in place on clean, smooth countertops, providing stability during use. The transparent barrel has an inclined curvature, allowing grated ingredients to fall smoothly and reducing the chance of jamming. These thoughtful design elements enhance the overall user experience, making the grater not only fast but also enjoyable to use. Additionally, GL offers a 365-day warranty and 24-hour customer service to ensure customer satisfaction. This rotary cheese grater is more than just a cheese grater. It is a multifunctional kitchen gadget that comes with 3 interchangeable blades, allowing you to slice, shred, and grind a variety of ingredients. It's perfect for grating cheese, radishes, carrots, cucumbers, potatoes, zucchini, cookies, chocolate, broccoli, cauliflower, peanuts, almonds, and even ice. This makes it ideal for preparing salads, pizza toppings, cauliflower rice, hash browns, tacos, smoothies, and more. Safety is a top priority with the Geedel cheese grater. The handle and food pusher keep your hands away from the blades, protecting your fingers during use. The inward-facing blade design also makes cleaning safer and easier. The grater and its components are dishwasher safe, adding to its convenience. As an added bonus, the Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater makes a perfect gift for family and friends on special occasions like Christmas and New Year's. It helps reduce the time spent on food preparation, allowing you to spend more quality time with loved ones. Positive points: fast and efficient grating with 12x faster drum cutting design. Made from food-grade, non-toxic, BPA-free materials. Durable 430 stainless steel blades that resist dulling and rusting. Powerful suction base for stability. Multifunctional with 3 interchangeable blades for slicing, shredding, and grinding. Safe design with handle and food pusher protecting hands. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. 365-day warranty and 24-hour customer service. Negative points: requires manual effort to turn the handle. Suction base may not adhere well on uneven or dirty surfaces. Limited to the size of the barrel, which might not be sufficient for larger quantities at once. Why you should buy this product? The Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, offering speed, efficiency, and versatility. Its high-quality construction and thoughtful design make food preparation quick and safe, while the multifunctional blades expand its usefulness beyond just grating cheese. If you value time-saving tools that enhance your cooking experience and prefer fresh, homemade ingredients over prepackaged ones, this cheese grater is an excellent investment. Plus, it makes a wonderful gift for anyone who enjoys cooking or needs practical kitchen gadgets. Let me know in the comments what you think of this cheese grater, and if you have any questions, write to me so I can answer them. If you've watched this far, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos.